In 2023, landlords need efficient marketing strategies for their rental properties. Forget the days of relying on word of mouth or costly offline advertising. Today, digital marketing is the way to go. Here are 5 steps to fill vacancies quickly. Create a personalized listing website to showcase your properties. Use top rental listing websites or platforms like HotPads, Trulia, Craigslist, Rentler, and Facebook Marketplace. Upload high-quality property images and write detailed descriptions. Leverage social media for virtual tours and eye-catching listings on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Provide an exceptional tenant experience, which leads to referrals and long-term success. By following these steps, you can save on marketing costs, attract quality tenants, and extend the life of your investments. What strategies are you planning for advertising your rental property?